Hello everyone. I am here to talk to you and show you a little bit about GimKit, which is a game-based learning program. And it's kind of similar to Kahoot, but it differentiates from Kahoot by with the type of games. So when you create an account, you can have your kits, which is kind of like your quiz, right? And you can create your own questions. Or similar to Kahoot, you can search quizzes. Let's say we're going to search water cycle. You can find all the pre-made quizzes. Let's say we're going to play this one with my students. Similar to Kahoot, you're going to say play live, and what's different is the different types of games. This really is a gamification that works in the classroom. There's so many different modes you can do. You can do classic, tag is fun. I haven't tried the snowball one, snow brawl. I've done Fishtopia. Capture the flag's fun. And there's a few things that I like about this is number one, the gamification really makes it a game. It's not just an online quiz. It is an actual game that you're playing. And the students, obviously, a lot of them love games and want to play. And it can be repetitive where you're answering these questions over and over in certain game modes to get points. But that repetitiveness is good and helps students learn the content. So, like I said, there's many different games, and it does cost some money. You can get a 30-day free trial, or you can pay $5 a month. And I mean, try out the 30 days, and if you see, you know, your students get really engaged, and I had my students asking for more, so I pay the $5 to use this because it works so well in my classroom. After we've gone through a lesson, okay, I use it as like a review. And it really does. I mean, you have kids who are like, can we please play GimKit? And like, we'll try out the different modes, and it really is a fun gamification in the classroom. And like I said, it kind of can be repetitive with the questions the students have to answer. And it's fun. You can get teams. The kids want to learn. They want to play, and you can select the different modes, continue. You can set a time limit. You can do starting cash, music. Like I said, I like to use a nickname generator because I'm in middle school and kids like to put inappropriate nicknames. But it's fun. It's kind of like a better version. It's kind of what Kahoot started in these online quizzes and took it to the next level. And I think everyone should try the 30-day trial in their classroom and see how their students respond.